Hey, hey, beautiful empaths. It's Sam here from The Singer's Piano, where we unlock the secrets of singing, playing the piano, songwriting for creative healing and self-expression. And my job really is to help you awaken your creativity. So today we're diving into the foundations of your singing voice and identifying using your chest voice for a powerful, authentic performance. So maybe you're struggling to find power in your lower range. Maybe you have a desire to add depth to your singing, or maybe you're looking for a way to express your emotions with a more full performance. Now, how do you harness the rich, resonant quality of your chest voice with confidence? A lot of my students, especially ones who have been in choirs for years, can't sing low. Maybe you're one of them. But what they don't realize is that they are missing a huge chunk of their singing range. And that's what we're going to be talking about today, your chest voice. So what is your chest voice? Well, let me just explain to you a little bit about the three voices that female singers have. They have their chest voice, which is down here. It's like a low, deep voice. And then they have their mixed voice, which is kind of here. And then they have their head voice, which is soft, like Ariana Grande. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can find your chest voice. Now, don't worry. If you struggle with this a little bit, you can always rewind the video. And for some of you, it's going to become really easy and you're going to be singing naturally in your chest voice. But for some of you, it's going to be like rewiring your brain, especially if you're a choir singer, because you're going to be singing like this. And your mixed voice will come really easy to you, but you have no idea how to get your chest voice. Let's dive straight in. The first thing that we're going to do is get to your chest voice. So exercise number one, we're just going to do a hum. And we're just going to hum to the lower notes. And I really want you to focus on feeling the vibration in your chest. So Nina Simone was fantastic for a chest voice. If you listen to her, I'm just trying to think of one of her songs. My baby don't care for clothes. The chest voice is really here. So your resonance is going to be in your chest. And this exercise helps to physically connect you to your chest voice. I want you to resonate here. So you might want to be like a monkey or like, just kind of get that there. Great. The second exercise we're going to do is like a talking sound. Hello, hello, hello. That's your chest voice. Hello. So you wouldn't normally speak like this, would you? That's your mixed voice. Hello. Yeah, you would speak in your chest voice. Hello. And so we're going to slide down the scale to the lowest note that you can. Ah. Notice how your chest resonates and it vibrates with the lower pitches. Now we're going to bring that chest voice and we're going to go as high as we can. So we're going to slide up. Ah, ah. Again, that's your chest voice. Feel it resonate. And then thirdly, we want to kind of play around with it a little bit with the vocal control and the volume control. So we're going to sing a song that you're familiar with and we're going to experiment with volume. And we're going to start off really slowly and we're gradually going to increase the volume and paying attention to your chest voice feels more engaged and more powerful as you sing louder. So let's think of Amazing Grace, for example. We're going to start very quietly. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. So can you just feel that engagement with your chest? That saved a wretch like me. Now we're going to build the volume. I once was lost, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. Now, your chest range, if you are a female vocalist and you can kind of get down to the D or the E, your chest voice will be anywhere from the E all the way up into the B. But you don't really want to be singing on a chest voice any higher than a B or a C because you're going to really strain yourself. And then even then, I would highly encourage you to go into your mixed voice around there and maybe just dipping into your chest voice very, very occasionally because you do not want to get the strain. And when you, a lot of the time, singers like Adele, who have nodules, not modules, they would often bring their chest voice too high. So, amazing great, already, yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. I could hear that. Can you hear that? Yeah, like it feels scratchy, constrained. That's when you bring your chest voice up too high. So ideally you want to be playing with your chest voice kind of from the E all the way up into the A and the B. And for those of you choir singers out there, be very careful, because you will bring your mixed voice all the way down to here, and then you'll say you can't sing any lower, and that's not true. Ideally you want to be bringing your mixed voice to about an E or a D, maybe a D, a C, but then you want to be going into your chest voice. So I hope that helps. I hope you've managed to identify your chest voice, have fun with it. You can create much more power and much more dynamics using your chest voice in that lower range. And if you enjoy this, I have a free download. So if you like learning to sing, play the piano and songwriting to express yourself and to really find your creativity and your inner voice, I've got a free PDF guide. Just click on the link below and it will be emailed directly to you. And don't worry if you've never played the piano before. I teach you how to play using chords, so you don't even have to read music. As I say, we're not really piano players. We're just here to accompany our voice and to sing our heart out at the piano. And also, if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe. Till next week, take care. Bye.